We're outside the Heinz History Center. We hear this is a pretty cool museum, so we're gonna go inside and see what's there.
Originally a car barn for street cars, the garden was converted into a sports center. The garden also hosted other
Where are we going?
events, such as the ice pop.
Yeah. Western Pennsylvania was the birthplace of the Jeep.
Trying to get away. And his pass is broken up by Tatum. Tipped off. Franco Harris has it.
All right, let's see if I can live up to my Italian-American roots and play a little bocce. That ain't gonna do it. All right, let's see how close I can get to the Polino. I'm gonna try to knock yours out of there. Nope.
Victory, baby.
That's the tree. This is the actual set from the show. Awesome. All right, we just finished up our tour of the Heinz History Center. It's actually part of the Smithsonian Institution. So if you're in this area, I definitely recommend it. It's very interactive. There's a lot of hands-on stuff for kids. Super cool museum. And hope you enjoyed that tour, and I'll see you next time.